Bailey is gonna try her first snacky. Are you ready? Here you go. Here. Bailey, here. Take it. It's for you. It's Nummies. Here. Bailey, focus. ADD kid, come here. You want it? Oh, jeez. Eat it. Look it. Look it. Look it. Look it. Look it. It goes in your mouth. Is this? Oh, where'd it go? You can put this in your mouth. This is a snacky. Here. You want to try it? There you go. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Is it gross? Oh, no, don't spit it back out. Put it back in your mouth. Well, you ate? No, you didn't eat any of it. No, that's all of it. Come right back out. That's not cute.
Pretty cute.
Bailey, oh my gosh.
Pretty cute.
Is it gross?
I have to think you can
No.
taste it.
You want to try one more? Bailey, look it.
I don't know, Mom. Okay.
Oh, where'd it go? Oh, here you go. Taste it. Cousin wants to eat some. She's playing with it. Eat it. It's Nummies. It's for your mouth. Eat it.
You eat it.
Good job. Did you eat it? Or is it still in your hand? Oh, you ate it. You ate it. I don't want to see it. Chew it. Go. No. Eat it. Eat it. What do you think? It's still in there. Bailey, stop. I don't want to see it. Are you eating any of these at all? Well, you're not choking on it. Oh, now you are? Oh, you're fine. You're so drama. Okay, Bailey, say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let me see you wave. Bailey. No. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let me see it. Give me a wave. Say bye. Say, I love you. Nope, nothing? You're still chewing? Give me a wave. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.